Dirt got you down? When getting rid of the dust is a must, put your trust in the power cleaning professionals at Chandler's Pressure Washing Plus.
Let our professional staff associate give your project the Chandler shine. According to your availability, or if you're not going to be home or out of the office, no problem. You pick an appointment date and time that will suit your needs, then just leave the rest up to us.
Contact us today for your custom quote or if you have questions about any of our services. We can't wait to show you that Chandler shine.